So how does Ahrefs work exactly? Now, if you're new to Ahrefs, the first thing is it's a paid subscription, so you'll need to, buy a subscription to Ahrefs in order to use it. However, once you're in your account, the main thing to do in Ahrefs is analyze the performance of websites that are out there advertising on paid search on Google, as well as trying to get organic traffic through SEO. So what I always recommend people do is put a website into the search bar up here, click go, click search right here. I'm using bestbuy.com as an example. You can use your own website, competitors' websites, really any website online can be added in here, and you can see what they have going on with their SEO as well as their PPC or pay-per-click marketing. So that's going to be like Google Ads, right? And right off the hop, we see this first panel here that has a whole bunch of data. There's a backlink profile, so we can see their domain rating and their URL rating. These are actually custom metrics that Ahrefs has developed, where they analyze the backlink profile and some different data in order to figure out how authoritative this website is. And then it gives you an authority rating here. So they're 2,251. And that's basically where they rank against all other websites online, which there are billions of websites online. So they're in the top 2,500 websites online in terms of authority, which is no surprise. Best Buy is a big company, been around for a long time, and they do a lot online, being that it's more of a technology-based company inherently. And then we can see their total number of backlinks as well as referring domains. So this is just how many websites link back to bestbuy.com, and this is how many pages or backlinks are coming to bestbuy.com, and this is how many websites those backlinks are coming from. And so the more high authority backlinks that a website has from different domains out there online, that's going to impact and determine roughly what their domain rating and URL rating and authority rating are here, which is also in part going to impact their organic search traffic, so the number of keywords that they rank for as well as the traffic generated from those keywords that they rank for. And then we can also see some other metrics down here, like the value of that traffic. So if they wanted to go buy all of this organic traffic through Google Ads, they would spend about $7.6 million per month to get all of that traffic. However, looks like they're spending about $600,000 a month on Google Ads currently on 6,500 different keywords. They've got 5,300 ads out there running, and that's generating about 2.4 million visitors per month from their Google Ads. And then if you want, you can dive into any of these in more detail. So let's say you want to look at their backlinks. We can click on this and open it up. I'm just going to open in a new tab. And then from here, we can see the different backlinks that they have and what websites they're coming from. Or excuse me, this is like the anchor text over here. And then this is the website that the backlink is coming from over here. So I saw one like Wikipedia. Excuse me, I don't know why they have stuff for Mean Girls. I guess maybe they're selling some Mean Girls Blu-ray DVD. It's kind of funny. But you can analyze these in more detail by just exporting them. You can also filter some things out. So, Ahrefs is really designed to help you analyze what's going on with different websites online in general. You can look at their backlinks, the keywords that they're ranking for, the keywords that they're paying for with Google Ads. So these are their organic keywords that they're ranking for. We got the search volume, keyword difficulty, cost per click, the estimated traffic that they're getting from each of those keywords, and then their position where they rank on Google organically, as well as the page that is ranking. And then for paid keywords, kind of similar, we've got the keywords that they're advertising on, their traffic that they're getting from those keywords, the position that they're ranking for with the ads, the page that they're sending people to. And then there's also this other tab here where you can see what percentage of traffic they're getting from paid search versus organic, which can be pretty helpful as well. And then there are some other tools like the Keyword Explorer, which can be quite beneficial. So, maybe we just want to look at what's happening when people search Best Buy as a keyword. So that's going to give us a breakdown through the Keywords Explorer here, where we can see like how difficult it is to rank for that keyword, search volume from the keyword, some different keyword ideas, so related keywords, if you will, different questions people ask, things that are also ranked for and people are talking about, and then some different ranking indicators like which pages of on the organic search results end up ranking for that keyword. Of course, Best Buy is probably going to be number one all the time because that's their own business name. So there's lots and lots and lots of data that you can dig into in Ahrefs. It's an amazing tool, especially for competitor research, analyzing your own website, determining what's going on, where you can gain a strategic advantage, and all that good stuff. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. You just drop your questions in the comments section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.